Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to create a Venmo account. It's very easy, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. And the first thing we are going to go ahead and be doing to create our account is go to the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, what you're going to do is open up Venmo.com. This is the official URL that you want to open up. If you're on your mobile phone, just go and download the Venmo application, download the Venmo app and open it up, and now we can get started. So basically guys, once you open it up, you'll be greeted by the home page. This is the home page right here on mobile phone as well, and you're going to have two options. You can log into your account if you already have a Venmo account. If not, we can get started signing up. And to sign up, what we're going to do is click the get Venmo option right here on your mobile phone. It's just going to say register, so you can input your phone number and so on that you need to register. And basically once you click this, it's going to enable you to go and proceed with Venmo. So let's go and proceed to the Venmo section, and now we can go and select how we are going to be using Venmo. So you can select if it's a personal account, a teen account, or a business account. Select whichever option you prefer, which is yourself, and now we can get started entering our phone number. So the first step we need to do to create a Venmo is to enter in a phone number. So you want to go ahead and input your phone number right here. After that, you can click the send code option. By clicking send code, it's going to send you a code to your phone number that you can use for verifying your account. Go ahead and verify your account, and that is your phone number. After that, you can input all the rest of the information such as your name, you can add any cards and so on, and basically that's how you can get started with adding your account. Once you're logged in, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your main page from where you can get started with your home section. You can go and get started with adding your cards, topping up your Venmo balance and so on, and all of that is doable from the start by registering. And I hope this video was helpful. So if it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.